Hello, welcome to one more video. Now we are in Riečica, 9 kilometer. You see asphalt access, all infrastructure is here. These are neighborhoods. This is access to houses. We have here one house and one started object. Both objects have permits. So this house have permit already. You see how it's made, electricity, everything is here. This object started but not finished. You see this wall, this is border, and going there is another border, and going up I will see this is all together. Also there is possibility to buy separately, but all together is 2,100 square meter land and 2 permits. Like you can see, here is house and this is one part. This is land around house. You see border is that big tree, and going down to that what I showed you, and going, you see this big tree, these bushes, to that corner here, and getting back, you see this blue, there is fence. So getting back down, now you will see it a little bit better. You see a really nice location, only 9 kilometers from the airport, 9 kilometers. So that is maybe 15 minutes from airport to get here. 2 permits, one already made house, of course for reconstruction, but already made, so half of job is done. You see land, this is another part, and this is another object which is started and have permit also. These are neighborhoods, like you can see, really nice area, 9 kilometers from the airport, so it is 15 minutes. Really nice area, like you can see, just cutting, and you can make really nice location here. Subscribe for more information, more videos. You have my number in description. I will see a little bit better this house. You see, with just a little bit investment you can have big house, like you can see. This is border, you see borders from these 2 neighborhoods are walls, and this is ground floor, first and second floor. You see water is here, everything, all infrastructure you have. You see these are neighborhoods, really nice area. Like I said, 9 kilometers only from the airport. You see here is water, so all infrastructure is here, all infrastructure is here. Subscribe for more information, more videos. You have my number in the description. See you in some next video. Thank you very much. See you.